Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing more slime pet peeves, so here we go. When they poke slime with one finger. Oh. You can see my reflection. Hi guys. Oh my god. No. I don't know about the camera. There we go. It's off. There. As I was saying, when they poke the slime with one whole finger. When they have the camera face towards their faces and they still play with the slime. When the hair gets in the slime, this really grosses me out. To put on my beautiful hair. It hurts. It's not pull out, so. Okay. I got a piece of my hair if y'all can see it. And they still poke it. So guys, look at this beautiful, amazing slime. Ew, I can't do it. I'm sorry guys. When all they do is just roll the ball and don't even touch it at all. And then they leave. And leave the camera on. Alright, time for bed. Okay, Mom. That probably just scared you. Okay. Okay, so when they say, look at this beautiful, cute cool slime, but they really can't see the slime. Oh my god, guys, look at the slime. It's so, like, perfect. You don't even need to hear it. Okay. When they say, look at this cool slime, but you can't even see it. Guys, look at this cool slime. Like, you don't even need to see it. Like, you can be like, just hear it, don't need to see it. When they put random stuff in the slime. Okay, guys, I'm gonna mix this with the slime to make it more cool. Fan. How are you gonna put, like, a piece of paper and put in slime like this so it would be cool? Why would you think that's a good idea? Like, look at your slime now. It just looks like a mess. Yeah, you better get that done out. It's just so cool. Just wanted to test it. Oh well, but that's not testing. Fan, be quiet. Nobody's talking to you. I should have subscribed right now. Not literally. Chill. So that is the end of today's video. Hope you liked it. Smack that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Like the video if you really liked it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.